Today we're taking a look at the Nova Pink PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. Around the box, you'll find the official product details and feature highlights. Let's open it up. Inside, the controller is securely packaged, with documentation placed neatly on top. You'll find the quick start guide and warranty information. Everything you need to get started. Now for the main focus, the controller itself, carefully wrapped for protection. And here it is. The Nova Pink color immediately stands out. It's vibrant, modern, and adds a bold personality to the setup, while still maintaining the iconic PlayStation aesthetic. On the front, we have the symmetrical analog sticks, responsive face buttons, the central touchpad, and the built-in microphone. At the bottom, there's a 3.5mm audio jack for wired headsets, along with a USB-C charging port positioned at the top. From every angle, the two-tone design blends pink with white accents and subtle black details around the sticks. The buttons feel tactile and precise. The adaptive L2 and R2 triggers are one of the standout features of the DualSense, designed to deliver dynamic resistance depending on in-game actions. Taking a closer look at the surface texture, the grip is made up of thousands of tiny PlayStation symbols, triangles, circles, crosses, and squares. This subtle detail not only enhances comfort during longer gaming sessions, but also adds a unique and thoughtful design touch. The Nova Pink DualSense combines style, innovation, and performance in one beautifully designed controller. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me, don't forget to like and subscribe.